Hello YouTube, my name is Harsh Kumar. So what is while loop? While loop is another loop which have a different syntax in compare of for loop, which we have discussed in the previous video. For example, in this example, we have initialized a variable outside the scope of while loop. Let initial value equal to 1 while loop with a condition, and within the curly braces we have the statement, and then we increment the value by 1 with initial value plus plus. The condition of while loop is very simple. If the initial value is smaller and equal to 10, the code block is executed. Let me show the result in the console. Here you can see the results. Our code snippet is executed properly and print the count 1 to 10. But there is one more feature of while loop which increase the flexibility of it. That is, we can change the timing of increment or decrement. Let me show you with the same example. Here is the same example, but in this case I just only moved this line number 9 above, and now let's see what's the result. Here you can see the console log print 2 to 11. Can you guess it why? Let me explain to you. When this while loop starts, the initial value is 1, which is lesser than 10. So the code block is executed, but inside the curly braces, it gets incremented to 1. 1 become 2, and console log 2 is printed. But why 11 is printed? It is not smaller or equal to 10. Let me give you the answer for this. 11 is printed because in the last round or iteration of the while loop, the initial value set to be 10, which is equal to 10 and satisfy this condition. So the initial value get incremented by 11 and get printed in the console log. That's why 11 is printed even it is greater than 10. So because of this feature, while loop is more flexible than for loop. In the for loop, the increment or decrement is always execute after the execution of the block. That's all for now. Thank you for watching the whole video. Please like this video, subscribe to CodeFusion and hit the notification bell for the regular update of the channel. It will help me to rank this video in the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Till then, keep coding, keep learning and keep improving yourself day by day. Bye bye and take care.